it's Mandy here. Today I'm sharing a card using the new Phyllis Harris stamp called Every Leaf Speaks Bliss. It's this cute little girl and she's surrounded by autumn leaves. I wanted to add some more leaves to the card, so I'm using this falling leaf stencil. Here I'm just taping the stencil in place and I'm masking off the girl with some post-it tape, and I'm using Distress Oxides to colour with. I'm just using the blending tool, and the three colours I'm using are Candied Apple, Fossilised Amber and Spiced Marmalade. I used my heat tool to dry in the ink. I find that it takes a while for the oxides to dry, and if you don't dry them well enough they will smear, so take the time to dry them off or set them aside to dry for a while. Then I'm just taking a water brush and I'm filling in the leaves from the stamp set. I pre-coloured the girl and I'm just sticking her down with some foam tape. I cut out the sentiment and I'm sticking that in place with some tacky glue. Then I put that onto a craft card base. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!